How to fix Steam download speed drop to zero issue. So to address this issue of Steam download, the speed dropping to zero, several potential solutions can be implemented and we are going to talk one by one. Very first thing is that is obvious, check your internet speed, right? So you have to make sure that you have connected with a good internet connection and it should be really good. Now ensure your internet is stable by testing other websites and services. If they are slow, they assume maybe the connection rather than Steam. Now what you have to do if this problem is still consistent, if you're connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data, make sure restart your router, your Wi-Fi or mobile and just wait for 30 seconds and try to reconnect it. Right, now use a wired connection. So if you're currently using a Wi-Fi, switch to wired Ethernet connection. This often provide more stable and faster connection. Now here clear Steam download cache. So open Steam. Now here we have to go to the settings. You can come to the settings here. Now here we can go to the download section and click on download clear cache. Right, so here you can see there will be a something clear caches. I will just this will clear local data and restart Steam. So I'm not going to restart, but in your case you can do this. There's a one more thing, you have to check that your download region, so where it is, right? And also limit download speed. If it is turned on, then you have to turn it off because this will be Steam will only be allowed to use certain speed of limit, right? So you can just change it, and here you can change your region, right? Make sure you just try to use your original region, but if it's not working, then you can move to a different region, for example US or UK. Right, now here this is how you can do this, and generally it will fix the problem. Restart your system and it will get fixed. Thanks for watching.